Buckle up, folks. The next crypto bull run is coming in hot for 2024. Now's the time to dig for those hidden altcoin gems before they erupt into parabolic profits. I've been glued to my charts, crunching the data, filtering the noise, and I've identified 5 explosive cryptos gearing up to deliver over 50x returns once this bull market kicks into high gear. In this video, I'll walk you through why these 5 overlooked and undervalued altcoins have everything needed to absolutely erupt over the coming months and turn small investments into potential fortunes. We'll uncover the big picture narratives, key partnerships, and growth metrics priming each product for launch. First up, Helium. Hands down one of the most ambitious and disruptive decentralized network plays on the market right now. Essentially, Uber meets Airbnb for wireless connectivity, enabling anyone to host a mini cell tower and earn lucrative cryptocurrency rewards in the process. Talk about passive income. It ticks every box. Global decentralized infrastructure? Check. Cost-effective mobile and IoT coverage? Check. Unique crypto incentives to drive mass adoption? Double check. And the key metrics reveal tremendous growth is already well underway. Get this. In 2021, Helium forged key partnerships with telecom giants Dish Network and Nova Labs. This year, they're now onboarding 300+ million wireless subscribers from telecom leaders Telefonica, using their hotspot model, where hosted nodes earn tokens for providing coverage. They've expanded to over 41,000 active hotspots, mapping wide areas of North America and Europe. Imagine collecting payments as people access the web through towers hosted at your home. And with crypto rewards for providing wireless infrastructure, the more their network grows, the more its native token Helium pumps. But get ready, because project number 2 is reinventing cloud computing and shaping up to deliver even bigger returns. Akash Network is building a decentralized cloud marketplace, set to disrupt juggernauts like AWS and Azure fundamentally. Think Airbnb or Uber, but for cloud computing, storage, and processing power, by enabling an open marketplace where anyone can buy or sell computing services. No more highway robbery-level pricing or centralized control from big tech megacorps. Akash cuts out the middlemen rent seekers, connecting buyers and sellers directly for cheaper, more abundant computing power. Now with faster deployment, better data privacy, and lower prices, Akash is capturing serious growth in this $100 billion industry. From just 76 providers in 2021, now over 44 ecosystem projects and 1,600+ monthly deployments power on the network. Revenue has surged 5 times since last year, placing Akash's utility head and shoulders above 99% of crypto projects. Analysts suggest 15 times to 30 times returns at the peak of the 2024 bull market. If you thought 50x gains sounded incredible, then project number 3 makes that look cute. Welcome to AltLayer, an absolute monster in the making, focusing on supercharging Ethereum network scalability and security to the moon. By enhancing rollups using their patented restaked rollup technology, transactions on Ethereum are about to get lighter and faster and achieve unmatched security guarantees. We're talking seconds instead of minutes for settlement finality, and decentralizing the network for censorship resistance across bridges. The key is their suite of actively validated services like Vital, Mock, and Squad. These in-house innovations anchor into the Ethereum mainnet, fortifying rollups with decentralized verification, rapid transaction finality, and decentralized sequencing. The result? AltLayer rollups bring Ethereum to true web-scale capabilities ahead of the competition. But it gets better. Their no-code rollups as a service platform means anyone can spin up a custom rollup in minutes to suit their specific needs. Supporting EVM, WASM, plus multiple rollup SDKs and data availability layers out of the box. Whether you need a temporary rollup to handle demand bursts or permanent infrastructure to power an application long-term, AltLayer has you covered. This best-in-class technology and ease of use is attracting serious attention. Just look at their recent airdrop campaign and soaring community engagement. AltLayer boasts over 1.2 million daily social interactions across Twitter and Telegram. That dwarfs participation metrics for multi-billion-dollar chains like Cardano. With a solid treasury and backing from top strategic investors, AltLayer has the runway to continue innovating on its technology and fueling hypergrowth into 2024. Okay, moving on to privacy protocol project number 4, Mina Protocol. Now, if you care about data security and retaining control of your digital footprint from big tech overlords, listen up. Mina is bringing scalable privacy to the people through a breakthrough ultralight blockchain. We're talking about the world's lightest blockchain at just 22 kilobytes, smaller than a tweet. This keeps nodes lean and blazingly fast and runs circles around traditional L1s. By using advanced zero-knowledge proofs, Mina achieves something remarkable: verifying transactions without exposing any underlying data about what's being transacted or who is sending payments. We're talking truly decentralized and self-sovereign digital cash. This bleeding-edge cryptographic privacy couples with their launch on Binance to capture serious attention. With bridges to Ethereum, BNB Chain, and more in the works, Mina is positioning itself as the privacy protocol for Web3. Just look at their roadmap: Z-app support, instant finality, horizontal scaling, and the list goes on. Each milestone unlocks new performance upgrades and uses cases for leveraging Mina's confidential blockchain. With whispers of $15+ price targets as hype builds heading into the next Bitcoin halving, early birds can ride out 100x returns or more, as Mina cements itself as the leader for blockchain privacy. Last but certainly not least, project number 5 combines crypto incentives with a real-world use case that taps into a massive target market. I'm talking about disruptive blockchain mapping and the race to decentralized navigation known as Hivemapper or Honey. Hivemapper flips traditional navigation on its head. Instead of maps built via expensive satellites or off private user data, Hivemapper pays people to map roads simply by running a dashcam. That's right, earn crypto rewards just for driving around doing your regular commute. Over 30,000 users are already tapping into this incentivized mapping, capturing upwards of 100 million kilometers of roads to date. And all this data about traffic, road conditions, and navigation spatial imagery feeds into their blockchain ecosystem, with plans to integrate AI and even power self-driving functionality long-term. When you consider the global navigation market is poised to hit $120 billion by 2025, Hivemapper is skating to where the puck will be by getting in on the ground floor of decentralized mapping. As adoption continues scaling, analysts speculate a 30 to 40 times upside at peak bull market mania targeting double figures token prices. So there you have it, folks. 5 disruptive altcoins primed to ride multiple converging megatrends in crypto for peak upside during the next bull cycle. Helium decentralizes wireless infrastructure through crowd-powered hotspots, upending the telecom industry by enabling anyone to earn tokens for providing connectivity coverage. Akash is upending cloud computing as the Airbnb for leasing unused compute capacity. Their decentralized marketplace matches buyers with cheap, abundant cloud resources, escaping the stranglehold of AWS and Azure. AltLayer supercharges Ethereum scalability to new heights through enhanced rollups. Their patented innovations around staking, sequencing, and verification are rocket fuel for Ethereum's throughput, speed, finality, and interoperability. Mina is revolutionizing blockchain privacy via zero-knowledge proofs, condensing an entire lightweight blockchain into just 22 kilobytes. By keeping data secret but verifiable, Mina grants users true sovereign control over their digital footprint. And Hivemapper incentivizes the crowdsourced decentralized mapping of roads globally, paying crypto rewards just for passively running a dashcam. They're racing to flip big tech's dominance over navigation and spatial data, each leveraging one or more explosive narratives like infrastructure development, privacy, and cloud services, positioned perfectly to attract major hype when the bull market returns in full force. 50x to 100x gains could materialize, hitting these conservative targets if they capture even a fraction of their total addressable markets. So drop me a comment letting me know which altcoin gems you have your eyes on for the 2024 bull run. What overvalued coins do you think will crash? And don't forget to smash those like and subscribe buttons with notifications on. Now is the prime time for research as we gear up for crypto parabolic acceleration.